Hey, it's Chrissy Boo X, and we're gonna be doing a duel tutorial with my friend Brock, aka Scythe.
What
So,
up, guys?
hi. Okay, so we're gonna start off with point shop items, materials, models, guns, power-ups, all of that wonderful stuff to further your knowledge of Lua and so forth. So, I guess we'll start off with the items that you'll need. You're going to be needing FileZilla if you run a dedicated server, which is basically if you've bought a host, etc. And so that's optional, considering you might have SRCDS running on your C drive, or on your computer, pardon, and so it will all correspond either way. So if we can see we open FileZilla here, I'll leave a link for the FileZilla in the description so that you can go and check it out. And then we'll go and connect to my server, and then we can see we got Garry's mod, and we'll just go into there, add-ons, and then we can see that we have the Pointshop add-on, and see if you can go to Google, and we'll just search Pointshop Gmod. You can see Pointshop for Garry's mod 13, and we can just download this. And so we'll just go. For the time being, I'll just move mine in here so that we can just get off on. So we can, yeah, whatever. And apparently they updated it so that you can use MySQL for MySQL support. So just go here like this. So if you ever run an MySQL, you can do that. Okay, so we'll just drag this in here. Okay, now we have Pointshop, and then we can. Okay, I downloaded the wrong thing. Wow.
Basically, guys, this works and corresponds with any point shop that you have. So there's a few different ones out there. It's all up to you and your preference. But yeah, if you Google point shops for Garry's mod, as we've both done, then you realize, there's a few out there. And like I said, it's all about your preference.
Yeah, and personally, I've bought a skin from Hire. If you've never heard of that, it's basically like a wide array of Garry's mod add-ons and other stuff. You can check it out at coderhire.com, but credit goes to the guy who actually made Pointshop. So, alright, so we'll start off with making a gun, okay? So we'll go into Lua, items, weapons. Now we can see we have all of these defaulted weapons, and we'll just keep one for default. But say you're running like a Trouble in Terrorist Town server, or a I don't know, some other server. You're gonna need different things so that you can't buy a raw RPG or something. Brock?
Yep.
Do you have your Turtle Beaches on? Are you using a speakers? I can hear myself echo.
I don't know why you can hear yourself echo. Awkward.
How high are your Turtle Beaches?
Not high at all, but I can turn them down.
Test, test, test. That's a lot better. I can't hear myself anymore. Okay, so we'll name a file and let's call it m4.lua. Lua, considering that's the language that this uses. So we'll use this 357.lua as a template, and then we'll open this m4.lua.
Now, may I ask, are you in the number 2 Doombreak or number 1?
Yeah, number 2.
Ah, okay.
Okay, and so I can hear myself again. Sorry.
Go for it. You're good now.
Okay, so now item.name. These are the attributes that you can use for the item, etc. and so we'll call it M4. And then we'll give how many points? We'll go 800 points for it. And then we have the model. And so basically you're gonna look in, if you were ever to look in to find out a model's name, we're gonna go to game modes. You select your game mode, whatever game mode you want, entities, and then go to your weapons folder, and then go to weapon, and then what it's called, and then we're gonna open the shared.lua file, and then we can see the world model. So that's the model that you need to use. The view model would include its hands, and so we'll just copy that, and then we'll just paste it as the item.model. And it has to have the apostrophe marks or it won't work. Okay, and now as you can see, this says weapon 357. Okay, so basically what it's saying there is the weapon class, as in weapon underscore M4. So that would be the weapon class. So we'll type weapon underscore M4, and then this is a say you wanted a permanent weapon or something. We'll go single use equals false, and then we'll change on buy to on equip, considering you don't buy it once. And so, say you're running a jailbreak server and you have a select weapon, apply select weapon. That's on a function. We don't want them to select their weapon so the guards can't see it automatically. So, and then we can do say if we'll add another function, and we're gonna go function item colon on buy, and we'll call it ply, as in player, and then we'll go player set health, and then we'll go 500. So once they buy the weapon, they get 500 health. And this is very customizable. Say we can go player set armor, go 500 armor, and then we can go ply. I don't know if this is a function, but we can set their gravity to like 1, and so then they're just floating in midair. And so see, we can have all of these, and those are common attributes. These are the common functions in Lua that we can add to the item. And so this is what runs once you buy the weapon in the server. And so we'll just take this back out, and then we'll save this, and then if I can go back to my Pointshop. Is there anything you'd like to add, Brock?
Nope.
Okay, and so we can see that we have this. Okay, and now that we're back in our weapons folder of our thing, I'll be teaching you how to make a new category. So if you open the Pointshop and you see all the categories and you want to make a new one, we're going to create a new directory. And say you want to make some donator stuff, so we'll just go make a folder called donator. And then we'll open donator, create a new file, and we're going to put the category underscore category.lua. And this is what describes the category. So we'll use the weapons one as a template. Then we'll go to donator, category.lua, and then we'll go bam, bam. This is called donator, and then the icon, a heart, the order, no order at all, and then we can have like category dot allow equipped. So that means how many can they have equipped? They can only have one thing equipped. And then say, since it's a allowed user groups, and then we'll start a table, and the groups that are allowed to see this are VIP and admin. And so say you can just keep adding these as much as you want. And so see, there we go. those are basically all of the things that you can do for a category. So just save that. And then that's the basics of that. And in the next tutorial, we'll be showing you how to put in models in your server and anything else non-relevant to this video. I hope you enjoyed and have a good